Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today for the holidays, I think this recipe, you will love this recipe because it's very easy to make and it has it brings a wow factor, I'll say, to any party, and it's the right recipe for a party. So for this recipe, we'll need some Prosecco, sugar, water, gelatin, blackberry, raspberries, and some ice trays. So guys, we'll start by putting the gelatin in some water. So I have 2 packs of gelatin. I'm just gonna sprinkle it on cold water. You guys will love it. I really like this recipe. It looks chic, it looks festive, and it's good too. So I will let it sit for a couple minutes. So on medium high heat, what I'll do, I'll make a simple syrup. Simple syrup is very simple. So you put the same quantity of water and sugar. My saucepan, it was already warm, and you add the sugar. So you sprinkle the sugar in it, and then you mix it, and then you let it boil until all the sugar is dissolved, and that's how you make simple syrup. So I'll mix it from time to time. And the syrup, it has to have like this syrupy texture. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's see. So everything's dissolved, and then the syrup is forming nicely. I'm making sure I'm not seeing any sugar crystals. Let's see. All right, so it seems perfect right now. So I'm gonna turn off the heat. I'll move to the side. And now I'll add the gelatin. So this is the gelatin. So the gelatin absorbs the water, and we put it in the syrup. It has to be warm, so for the gelatin to dissolve. So we put it in the syrup and make sure that everything has dissolved. So we keep on stirring. It's very simple to make. Instead of simple syrup, you can use, because we're using Prosecco, which is like sparkling wine, you can use a white wine, any white wine, to make the syrup. So you could do white wine and the sugar and add the Prosecco. And it's you can make a different color. You can use the rosé. Oh, rosé gives the beautiful. You'll see. It's very beautiful. Okay. So the gelatin is all dissolved. Nicely. And now I'll add my Prosecco. So I have 12 ounces of Prosecco here. And while stirring, look at all these bubbles. All right. So we'll start by, we'll put it in the ice trays, and then the gelatin will start to set, cool down, and then we'll put in the fridge for over the night, so at least 8 hours. So I'll put some in ice trays. I think it's easier for me to put like this. So this is my Prosecco Gelée. And by the way, when you hear gelée, so that means that's basically gelatin in it. All right, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge for at least 8 hours and see you soon. Okay, there you have it, guys. Prosecco Gelée. So let's try this one. And I do put some fruit. It's very good. It's good. I think it's fun. It's a fun way of having a glass of Prosecco. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Put any comments that you have. Let me know if you've tried this recipe, how you like it. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.